Hello guys, welcome to this video on introductions to functions. So last time we did a function that added two numbers, printed it out on the screen, and we initialized our own values. So right now today we're going to talk about a function that accepts argument, a function that has got parameter list. So parameter list, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these two variables. I'm just going to remain with this. Then the parameter list is just the declaration of variables in this parameter, and they are separated by a comma. So I have num1 as one of my parameter, num1, then int num2. So these are also local variables that are local to this function only. So this is just the same. But what I'm going to do now is that this is a void function. This is a void function. So the void function doesn't return anything. But the thing is that I'm outputting the value that is in that and that. So what I've done here should also be done in the prototype. So but this is just okay, but if you want you can remove the names. The prototype is just the function signature like that, and the function signature is just the head of the function with the parameter data type. It's parameter data types that's on the function signature. So this is the function signature. So now that we have the prototype, we have this prototype here with this parameter list, both integers, and here we've just done a function definition. This function is just going to add num1 and num2. So this function can receive two arguments, which is an integer argument and another integer argument. So in the main function, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say int a and int b. I'm just going to see out. I'm going to ask the user to enter two numbers. So enter two numbers. So I'm just going to cin a and b. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pass the values that the user is going to put into this function. So this function can accept two arguments, so I'm just going to do this, just type it again. So now you can see right here it's showing me I can put the first argument, which I'm going to pass the first argument as a, and the second argument I'm going to pass is b, and I'm just going to put a semicolon at the end. So what is actually being done here, we're just passing a into num1 and we're passing b into num2. So whatever value that the user is being put here is going to be in num1, and whatever that the user is going to put in b is going to be in num2. And we have our local variable sum, which we're going to pass the result of the values that are in a and the values that are in b, adding them, then printing them out on the screen. So let's see what this piece of code is doing. So it's saying enter two numbers, so I'm going to say 2 and 3. So you can see this is the cout, this is the sum of 2 and 3. So let me try out with other numbers. So we can say 45, now you say 78. So that's the sum of 45 and 78, which is 123. So this is what we do. So what we've actually done here is that we've passed these two variables, the numbers that are put in these two variables by the user, and pass them to the function. So this is a parameter list, and these are the arguments that we are passing to the function. So alright guys, so this is just another video to wrap up an introduction with functions. So in another video we're just going to look at a more advanced function that can actually print numbers from 1 to 10, a separate function that can print numbers from 1 to 10 using loops. Alright, thank you very much guys for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my video and click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.